So here is a decision support dashboard for NBA scouts and managers to use. And as you can see, there are 4 different graphs. There's a map, here's a horizontal bar chart, here's a player table, and here's a web object. So first, from the map, you can choose any different state. For example, let's choose California. And once you select it, you can see all the players that are born in California, where they went for college. And you can see here most of the players went to UCLA. And here is a list of players that born in California, and they are ordered by their average point per game. And if you want to further filter by different colleges, you can click on, for example, UCLA, and you will see all the players that came from UCLA, also ordered by average point per game. And if you're interested in any particular player, for example, let's say Russell Westbrook, you can select it, and its introduction will show up on the web page.